methods. Method is de jure method of census. Okay, so these methods, Karuna, the census method which can be conducted on the basis of permanent place of residence. Only you have to see main difference here. In the de facto method, usual place of residence, or that is the temporary one wherever people are living. But de jure methods, the census is conducted on the basis of permanent place of residence. Main important thing that under this method, the enumeration or collection or enumeration period of 2 or 3 weeks is fixed. Remember, in de facto method, there is only 1 day, but in de jure methods, 2 or 3 weeks is declared. Duration is different. Therefore, this is called period enumeration. Why this is called period enumeration? Because census is conducted 2 or 3 weeks period. So this is called period enumeration. Collection from household by visiting them very often to fill up the various schedules. Persons residing temporarily at a place are not enumerated. Only persons residing permanently at a place are counted in it. This is also called real or direct enumeration method of census. Remember that the enumerators or the collectors households, okay, and then they have the schedules, okay. According to the schedules, they fill up the form, and then person who is residing temporarily, okay, their information may not be collected. Okay, suppose if a person living in Bhojpur, permanent house is in Bhojpur, but living in Viratnagar temporarily, his or her information is not collected according to this method. Okay, so this is the disadvantage. Okay, this is also called real or direct enumeration method. Yes, real, it is real and direct, or the enumerator directly visit the household, directly visit the person and collect the information. And like de facto method, it has also merits and demerits. Like de facto methods, it has also merits and demerits, right? Merits of these methods. This is called real method because enumerators are given sufficient time to collect information from the household by making frequent visits to them. Why this is called real method? One night enumeration is not real also. Why? Because one night or one day is not sufficient time for the enumerators. So enumerator may fill up the form by guessing also. When the form is filled up by guessing, the real information may not be collected. But according to these methods, there is 1 or 2 week duration. So the enumerators are not in hurry. Okay. So when the people are not in hurry, they can easily feel the real information, right? And then they may visit. If they visit the household, if the household is not available, then they try next time also. Next time they visit, and the real information can be obtained from that household. So this is practical in that sense. Next point. It is possible to collect a wide variety of information relating to sex, age, language, education, occupation. Remember that while collecting the information according to the census, many information are collected related to sex, related to age. If you visit the household, if the enumerator visits the household, and then total number of the members of that household, and then they will categorize how many male, how many female. And they also collect the information according to the age. Everything are included in these methods, right? And number 3, such diverse data are used by the government in arriving at various aspects of population growth, such as birth rate, death rate, sex ratio, occupational distribution, literacy rate. Okay, so if the according to this method, if the real information is collected, okay, if the real information is collected, this collected information is used by the government. Okay, and then government use that information, and then government find out the real birth rate, find out the real death rate, and the government will find out the sex ratio, occupational distribution, literacy rate also. Okay, so it is important from the government point of view as well. And then next point is these data are further used by administrator for policy formulation regarding health, family planning, poverty alleviation, etc. Academicians use